let's make short discussion to answer the quick question related sa tax filing or BIR compliance. Welcome to my new segment kung saan yung mga quick questions nyo na nare-receive ko from my social media accounts ay i-discuss natin with a quick discussion. At sa episode na to, ito yung unang tanong. Hello, need legit advice. Kaka-register ko lang sa BIR few days ago. Requirement po kasi ito sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Need ko ng ITR. Possible po ba makakuha agad ng annual ITR? For the quick answer is no. It is not possible. Why? Kasi kare-registered mo lang days ago. And yung registration mo ay papatak ng taxable year 2025. So, yung 2025 ay hindi pa naman tapos. So, technically, wala ka pang kailangang i-submit na annual ITR. And now the question is, ano naman yung ITR na pwede mong i-present sa Pag-ibig para sa iyong housing loan requirements? I suggest na gamitin mo na lang yung quarterly ITR mo, which is yung first ITR mo is yung second quarter. However, magagawa mo lamang to pagkatapos ng June 30. So, July 1 hanggang August 15, yan yung allotted period mo para ma-file at ma-remit mo yung iyong ITR for the second quarter. So, hindi siya basta-basta agad magagawa kasi technically, kahit i-file mo yan sa BIR, yung second quarter mo, hindi siya magre-reflect sa server ng BIR kasi hindi pa tapos yung taxable period for the second quarter. And because quarter ITR yung ipepresent mo sa Pag-ibig para sa iyong housing loan requirements, meron din to pwedeng maging downside. Ang downside nito is mas maliit yung income na pwede mo ma-declare because hindi pa naman tapos yung 2025 na taxable year. And alam naman po natin na kapag nag-housing loan, meron tinitingnan na income ang ating Pag-ibig para i-grant nila yung borrower doon sa multi-purpose loan nila. So that's it. That's the first episode of our Let's Sit and Discuss for the question with a quick answer. Kung ano man yung mga gusto nyo pong malaman with the tax filing, BIR compliance, and accounting related concerns, just comment down below or mag-comment din kayo sa mga social media platform ko para magkaroon tayo ng quick discussion next episode. So, see ya!